Mikodam L-Stand is a practical and aesthetic way of showcasing Mikodam products. It is a self-standing structure that can be used in many configurations. It arrives disassembled and can be moved from one location to another easily the same way. The panels to be used on the L-Stand are up to the buyer's decision. However, we also offer several ready-made designs for convenience. Part 1. Pieces and installing the L-Stand. The elements for the L-Stand are sold separately for the convenience of the user. You can buy the pieces to form the L-Stand that fits your needs best. You can consult our team on this matter. The following pieces are needed for the basic L-Stand. 4 metal box frame structural pieces. They are sold as sets of 2. Accessories, bolts of 2 different sizes, shims, and nuts. The corner pieces of the structure, which are corner accessories, Z-shaped profiles, Allen bolts, Allen key, and lamellos. 1 connecting piece to connect the frames. L-shaped wooden pieces for inner and outer sides of the corner, 1 of each, and 2 end panels. The frames will already have U-profiles fixed onto them for easy panel application. Be sure to handle all pieces with care and unbox mindfully. The single connection piece is used as shown to create the corner. The frames are connected to this piece with bolts, forming an L shape. The frames can simply be connected with bolts to each other to continue the shape linearly. For both the corner piece and the linear formation, bolts should be placed in all assigned slots. To apply the inner and outer L-shaped wooden pieces, start by screwing the Z-shaped profiles onto the pre-inserted nuts. Use Allen bolts and Allen key. Mount the smaller L-shaped wooden piece to the inside of the corner. Once this step is done, you can mount the panels starting from the bottom. The Z-shaped profiles behind the panels are mounted onto the U-shaped profiles on the frames. Lamellos are placed into the slots on the panels, and they act as connecting pieces. For more information on installing the panels, please check our installation video. Mount the larger L-shaped wooden piece on the outside of the corner. The inner sides and outer sides work independently, yet with the same logic. You can start the explained step from either side. The panels can be installed horizontally or vertically, and Mikodam panels of all sizes can be used with the L-Stand. To apply the end panels, panels on both sides need to have been installed. Place the lamellos into their slots and push the end panels onto these, making sure the slots on the end panels match the lamellos in the panels. Part 2. Extensions for the L-Stand. The sides of the L can be extended by connecting the frames linearly, using bolts. You can create double-height L-Stands by fixing 2 frames on top of another. To do so, bring one frame on top of the other and connect with bolts by screwing them into the slots at the bottom and top of the frame. Be sure to get help for this step. You should start by building the top structure from the wings of the corner, just as you did for the ground structure. For this application, we strongly recommend that you rivet the L-Stand to the ground. Part 3. Alternative configurations with the L-Stand. The L-Stand is designed to be a flexible element that allows the user to create further spatial options. You can purchase several L-Stands and change their configurations according to the spatial needs of any event. Here are several examples fit in a 10 by 10 foot space. However, as is usually the case with Mikodam products, possibilities are as wide as the imagination. With the L-Stand, you can create spaces that attract the visitor's attention, walking through and observing each panel closely. The L-Stand allows the user to create different circulations for different spatial needs. The L-Stand can be used anywhere, from showrooms to expos, providing an easy, clever, and stylish way to display